Hi everyone, I hope you're doing fine. And remember to take care of yourself, especially if you have COVID-19. Please, today our class is about page number 19. Remember, that's on your screen, page number 19, and we have to practice oral communication. This exercise is about listening to the following audio about Walt Disney, and then you have to decide if the statements are true or false. Okay, so according to the audio, you have to answer as true or false with number one. Walt Disney was born in 1901 in the city of Chicago. This is true or false? Number two, he was most famous for his acting. I don't know. Tell me, true or false? He received a total of 20 Oscars. That is okay. Is true or false? I don't know. His brother Roy created Mickey Mouse. I don't know. Walt Disney died when he was 65 years old. Okay, so all this information is in the audio. Then, please listen to the audio carefully and write true or false. Finally, then you have to answer with your favorite Disney movie. What's your favorite Disney movie and why do you like it? Remember to answer personally because it's your answer, it's your opinion, what uh, what is important. For example, in my case, my favorite movie, my favorite my favorite Disney movie is Toy Story, for example. Toy Story. And I like it because um because this movie tells the story of Andy. Andy. The story of Andy. Who is Andy? Okay, a kid who liked to play, with his toys. Okay, and I'm giving some explanation about what my favorite movie is. And then you got another question. Would you consider that Walt Disney was successful? He was a successful man. Why or why not? So, in my opinion, I think Walt Disney, Walt Disney was a very successful man. And remember the meaning of successful means exitoso. He was a very successful man or person because he liked to work, hard in his passion. And what was his passion? You know, comics. Actually, he invented this new word of comic. And that's it, guys. This is your activity on page number 19. No question number 3. No, it is not okay to do the question. And also, and this is not homework number 2. No, no, no. This information is in your book only. It's in your book. Okay? See you guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.